Hi, my name is Ed Chatelain. I'm going to be showing you a video of how to rebrand the app builder with some of the new functions that have been added recently. You would want to start with the Indy driver from projectzero.org, and once you've downloaded and unzipped that, you can run app builder start to start up the app builder. Okay, app builder started, so I'm going to come and hit it with the browser. Okay, and what we're going to want to do is do a create from repository in order to create our extension of App Builder. So we do want to be in the experimental group, module group, and we're going to look for 0.appbuilder. Here it is. This is the guy we want, and I'm going to call mine my app builder, and we're going to do a link to. This is the folder that I want to go to under the installed directory where I've installed my CLI. Okay, while that's built, we'll wait a minute. Okay, so this is my app builder. What we're going to want to do now is go into edit on this guy. We're going to go into the Explore tab, and we want to do show dependencies so that we can see the CSS and image files that we want to update in order to extend the app builder. So these are the sample override themes that are available. We have a blue, a green, and an orange sample, and each of those we'll take a look at. So first we're going to do promote, which means we're going to copy this from the dependency up into my app builder. That. I'll also grab the green one as well as the orange sample. Okay, and if we look at this, there's some rename files required. There's a search o.gif that we want, and a logo bk.gif that we want. So let me go and get those. They're in override images. That is not what I meant to do. We're going to find this guy and promote it. We also want this one for the blue-green. Okay. And we want this one. Search O for the orange. All right. Now I think we are ready to go and rename some files. So we're going to go back over to the file editor and take a look here. So if I double click on blue sample, I can rename the file. I just need to change it to default theme.css. Okay, and for the blue-green for the search, it looks like I got the wrong one, so we need to go back and get the right search image. Dependencies is still selected. Search BG, that's the guy I want. Okay, actually what we can do is just rename it here. Right, not down here, where to go? I'm still too low. Search BG is now in my app builder, so I can do a rename right here. And I'll just change that right there, do a rename. Okay. Alright, so that should have us ready to see what the blue looks like. Now there's some setup we have to do. So what we want to do is stop the app builder. And we need to do a set an environment variable to make the app builder name use my app builder. And that's what that will do. And then we're going to start app builder again. And here's our reload coming up now. And we should see the blue theme. So now we've got a blue banner, we got blue links, green background, and we are running My App Builder instead of the other. We have this is the search icon we were looking at before. Now, if we want to tweak it some more, what we can do is just open our My App Builder as, let's go and open it back up in this version of App Builder so that we can change it. Okay, we want My App Builder, we can do an open. Now if I edit that again, and we will see, okay, so this was the one we used first. Let me just change him back, blue. And if I double click this guy, I can change it, rename it with a double click, and that'll give us green. He's already got the right search, and I just need to do a reload. And this will be a green theme. And there we go, the green banner, green buttons, but still basically, mostly the same. Now what I'm going to do is show you an orange theme, which is actually pretty significantly different. What I want to do is rename green, and then I'll go and rename orange. Okay. So we've got the orange. We also want to rename the logo so that this will get picked up first, and then search O will become search. Oops, I forgot to remove the old search. So this is search BG, right? There we go. I'm going to go back to here and then do shift reload. We'll see what an orange and black theme looks like. And there we have an orange and black theme. App Builder. If we wanted to do a create, we could do it like this. And you can see how the dialog looks with orange and black. I will go back into my App Builder, and there's one other thing I wanted to show you, and that is the ability to add some additional links and additional logo up here for a little bit of rebranding. So if you're interested in that, what you would do is go to the Explorer tab again, and there's a couple of files you'll want to override. So first we're going to do show dependencies. And the files we're interested in are page banner extender. We'll promote that one. And page banner extender.html. And actually what we want to edit is page banner extender.html, so I will just click edit on that. It will bring us over to the file editor page, and to make this work, all we need to do is change display none to display block. And what we're going to get is some links that are going to be added, and these of course you would tweak to whatever you wanted them to be, but we have override link 1 pointing to projectzero.org. We point to the forum with link 2, and then you have another image that you can either change override logo.gif to what you want, or you can point to somewhere else. So this is what this page is doing. So if I go back to applications and do a shift reload, we will see the additional links and logo added. So this is the additional logo. These are the additional links. If I click on override link 1, it's going to open a new tab with projectzero.org. And of course, if we go back into here, you will also have the links added here as well. And that is the end of the demo for rebranding App Builder. I kind of like the orange. I think I'll just keep working with this one for now. Thank you.